Hi everyone, so I've just finished my day worth of teaching and I've had a thought about it. Whilst it's been great teaching China, but it's those things that are outside of standard teaching which you can take advantage of and having lots of opportunities to do other extracurricular activities that can also matter. Whilst not teaching on weekends or on public holidays perhaps, why not do a bit of travelling? I was able to, during the October holidays, to go with my friends and go with my colleagues within my school, travelling to Inner Mongolia, which was great because we saw the vast outlands, we rode horses and camels on the desert, we saw a different perspective, things that we cannot do during our standard teaching. There are also lots of places like Xi'an, Chengdu, Beijing, Shanghai, Hangzhou, which I was also able to go during free time on weekends. It's definitely worth going because just seeing other cities, seeing what's out there.
So this is what you call when you meet different kinds of people having fun and trying out Chinese food.
And of course you can always go to a KTV with your friends, just around the corner. You can also take additional classes where the school often offers you additional lessons that you can do, which often I get quite a lot. Other teachers recommend me to, or having been offered to do some private teaching elsewhere, one-to-ones for example. Now I also teach additional, for example, year 3 to 5s or year 1s, a different age group, but a great opportunity to earn some additional money. And the pay often can range from 150 yuan to 400 yuan, which is also great. Be as active in your school as possible because often when you do so, when you get engaged with your students and also with other teachers, that's when the teachers will ask you to join in on different trips and activities. For example, this morning I was actually invited to one of my classes was not teaching at the standard time, visiting the class, and they made sandwiches and also different fruit salads to ask me to try it out and engage with me. This is a great time, great opportunity to engage with different students and also finding out their personal interests. Make sure as the teacher, grab plenty of opportunities within the school too. Every year the foreign department invites the foreign teachers to visit a local, less fortunate school nearby where we can actually actively engage with the students over there. It was a great pleasure for me to be able to help the less unfortunate students, to provide them with new books and learning experiences to broaden their horizons so that in the future perhaps they'll get the opportunity to go abroad too. Events throughout the year organized by students themselves within your school where you can join in to that and they can really show you their talents. You can really enjoy and appreciate their efforts. You never know the people you might meet or the point of interests, opportunities that you might get through your travels. Because not only I'm a foreign teacher, but my also point of interest is the freelance filmmaker. So I actually underwent a lot of different production projects throughout China, whether that's in Hangzhou, whether that's in Beijing. It was great fun because you really get to learn different types of skills and actually participate in projects you never know before, and great people you get to meet. So I really hope, doesn't matter what you do, make use of your time, grab every opportunities around you, try out different things, perhaps even try out different types of food within your area of teaching, because China is a great place. Doesn't matter what you are, it's what you want to do. So have fun.